Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Many users don't realize that even after closing Chrome, it can still run in the background and use system resources like RAM and CPU. This can slow down your computer. So let's fix it a step by step. First, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now click on the three dots menu in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu scroll down and choose settings. Under settings, select system in the left sidebar. On the right, under system, you will find an option that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Simply turn off this one toggle. After disabling this option, close the Google Chrome browser completely. From now on, Chrome will not run in the background. If you still notice Chrome using resources, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Check for any Chrome processes and then manually disable them if needed. That's it. This is how you can stop Chrome from running in the background on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.